Deep inside forests, woodlands, and even city parks, there lives a bird whose life is written into the trunks of trees. This is the woodpecker, a master of rhythm, strength, and survival. From the very beginning of its life, the woodpecker is shaped by wood, bark, and sound. Its story begins high above the ground, where safety matters most. The woodpecker does not build open nests like many birds. Instead, it chooses strong tree trunks and begins carving its own home. Using its powerful beak, it drills deep into the wood, creating a hollow nest that protects it from predators, wind, and rain. Inside this dark, secure cavity, the female woodpecker lays smooth white eggs. These eggs are small but full of life, resting safely inside the wooden chamber. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs. Day and night, they guard the nest, keeping the eggs warm. After about 2 weeks, faint sounds break the silence. Tiny chicks hatch, blind, featherless, and completely dependent. Their world is dark, but safe. From the first day, the parents work non-stop, flying back and forth to bring food. The woodpecker's hunting skill now becomes vital. Using sharp eyes and an incredible sense of hearing, it listens carefully to tree trunks. Beneath the bark, insects move, chew, and hide. The woodpecker can hear these tiny movements. Suddenly, it begins to hammer the tree with powerful, rapid strikes. Its skull is specially designed to absorb shock, protecting its brain from damage. With each strike, wood chips fly. Once the beak breaks through the bark, the woodpecker uses its long, sticky tongue. This tongue can extend far beyond the beak, wrapping around the skull when not in use. It pulls out ants, beetles, larvae, and other insects hiding deep inside the tree. This protein-rich food is carried back to the nest and fed to the growing chicks. As days pass, the chicks grow stronger. Feathers appear, eyes open, and their calls grow louder. They learn by watching their parents. Soon, they begin pecking the nest walls, practicing the same movements that will one day keep them alive. The tree becomes their classroom. When the time comes, the young woodpeckers leave the nest. Their first flight is short and shaky, but freedom has begun. Now they must learn to survive on their own. They explore tree trunks, telephone poles, and wooden fences, tapping and listening, just like their parents. Woodpeckers are not only insect hunters. Depending on the species and season, they also eat fruits, berries, nuts, seeds, and tree sap. Some woodpeckers drill neat rows of holes called sap wells. They return again and again to drink the sweet sap and catch insects attracted to it. This makes the woodpecker an important part of the forest ecosystem. Their constant drilling helps trees by controlling harmful insects, and abandoned nest holes become homes for other birds and animals. In this way, the woodpecker supports life far beyond its own survival. Through storms, heat, and changing seasons, the woodpecker continues its rhythmic work. Every knock on wood is a sound of life, persistence, and balance with nature. From a fragile egg hidden inside a tree to a skilled hunter carving food from solid wood, the woodpecker's life is a powerful example of adaptation and strength in the natural world.